So, I was thinking today, I was watching Pocket Woman's live last night as she reorganized her new lock lab. She got a new desk, and so we were watching how she was setting it up and stuff, and I noticed that she had toys on her desk, on her lock lab. And it got me thinking, I got toys on my lock lab. So I thought I would do a little video of what toys I have on my lock lab here. And we'll start off with a laser tag laser gun, just in case. We have a Jeep Cherokee that's just like mine. And then we have my set of Transformers. We got my two favorites, Megatron and Soundwave. And then we got Bumblebee. My daughter got me these before I moved to Alaska, and they went everywhere with me. And then we got Tails from Sonic. And then we have a Fidget Cube. And then we have Deathstroke. Okay, so I did those. And these are kind of a toy, but they're more of a learning thing. It's a cutaway of a lock, so you can see what spool pins and standard and serrated are like. But I guess they're kind of a toy. I play with them constantly. And then, we'll do this stuff first. And then I got my Thor's hammer. That's a fidget spinner. And then I got my other Soundwave. And then we got Slimer from Ghostbusters. A whoopee cushion. A ball and paddle that doesn't work. I think it's broke. A kazoo. Can't not have your kazoo. And then I asked one of the coolest guys ever. I'm proud to say he's my friend, Lock Squash. I said, why don't you send me one of them California girls? So he sent that thing. I don't know what it is. And then I got my rubber ducky, my Halloween rubber ducky. And then my favorites. That I move all around, and I'm always positioning them, is my Sasquatches. But that's my toys on my lock lab. And don't lie to me, you got toys on your lock lab too. So let's see them. And maybe we'll do some kind of cheap toy giveaway for, and vote on who has the coolest toys on their Lock Lab. What do you think? A little cheap toy Lock Lab giveaway for the coolest ones, because I know you guys got them, so let's see them.